Hello everyone, I am Subhashni. Today I am going to teach you basics of computer. Computer basics. Overview of the chapter. Being a modern day kid you must have used, seen or read about computers. This is because they are an integral part of our everyday existence. Be it school, bank, shops, railway stations, hospital or your own home. Computers are present everywhere, making our work easier and faster for us. As they are such integral parts of our lives, we must know what they are and how they function. Let us start with defining the term computer formally. Table of content. What is computer? Types of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, personal computer, laptop computer. Parts of computer: hardware and software. Table of contents. Continue. Hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Software: application software and operating system software. Computer: electronic device. Mouse: input device. Keyboard: input device. CPU: central processing unit. These are the important words with synonyms. Explanatory slides. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that receives input, stores or processes the input as per user instructions and provides output in desired format. Types of computers. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are used to process very large amount of informations, including processing informations to predict hurricanes, satellites, image and navigations, and process military war scenarios. Mainframes. Mainframes are used by government and businesses to process very large amounts of informations. Mini computers. Mini computers are similar to maintenance. They are used by business and government to process large amount of informations. Personal computers. Personal computers, also known as PCs, are smaller and less powerful than the others. They are used in homes, school, and small business. Laptop. A laptop, also called a notebook computer or just notebook, is a small, portable personal computer with a COM form factor, having typically a thin LCD or LED computer screen mounted on the inside of the upper lid of the COM and an alphanumeric keyboard on the inside of the lower lid. Parts of computer. There are two parts of that makes up a computer: hardware, software. Computer hardware includes physical parts of components of computer: CPU, central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse, disk drive, speakers, printers. There are three categories of hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. An input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, laser scanner, barcode reader, scanner, joystick. Output devices. An output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projections, or physical reproductions. Storage devices. A storage device is any computing hardware that is used for storing, porting, and extracting data, file, and objects. It can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently, and can be internal or external to the computer. Server or any similar computing device: hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, flash memory. Software. Software is a programs and application that tell the computer what to do and how to look. Computer programmers write the codes or instructions that make up a software applications or programs. There are two types of software: application software and operating system software. Application software. An application software is computer software designed to platforms a group of coordinated functions, takes a tasks or activities for the benefit of user. Example of application include a word processor, spreadsheet, and accounting applications, a web browser or media player, a photo editor. Operating system software directs all the activities and sets all the rules for how the hardware and software will work together. For example, Windows, Linux, DOS, Unix, Vista are the operating system software. We will recall the chapter. Computer is an electronic machines. Types of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, personal computer, laptop. Parts of computer. Two basic parts that made up of a computer: hardware and software. Hardware. There are three categories of hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. Input devices are used to give data and instructions to the computer. Examples: keyboard and mouse. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the result of information of the computer. Examples: printer, plotter. Storage devices. Storage devices can hold and store information. Example: hard disk, CD-ROM. Software. Software is the program. There are two types of software. One is application software and another one is operating system software. Application software. An application software is computer software designed to perform a group of conditional functions. Examples: word processor, spreadsheet. Operating system software. Operating system software directs all the activities and sets of all the rules for how hardware and software will work together. Examples: Windows, Linux, DOS, Vista, etc. Collect input devices, output devices, storage devices, switches, paste it A4 sheet and submit it an assignment. Thank you. Happy learning.